Welcome to your favorite list channel, incredible lists made just for you. Cue the drum roll, please. Today we're diving into the world of giants. Welcome to the 8 biggest animals in the world. Starting off our list, we cast our eyes to the deep ocean, where the colossal squid lurks. This is no ordinary squid. Picture a creature that can reach lengths of up to 46 feet. It's a sight to behold and a testament to the wonders of the deep sea. Next, we have the saltwater crocodile, the largest reptile on Earth. Their length can extend up to 23 feet. That's a lot of crocodile. They've been known to rule the waterways of Australia, Southeast Asia, and the eastern coast of India. Our third contender is a bird, the wandering albatross. With a wingspan reaching up to 11 feet, this bird owns the sky. It's the world's largest flying bird, ruling the Southern Ocean. Moving on to land, we encounter the African elephant, the largest land animal. Majestic and powerful, they can stand up to 13 feet tall and weigh as much as 6 tons. Hey, but before we continue, take a second to like and subscribe this video. It helps a lot. The 5th spot is claimed by the brown bear, the largest terrestrial carnivore. In the wild, these creatures can weigh up to 1,500 pounds and reach lengths of up to 9 feet. Back to the oceans, we find the biggest shark, the whale shark. Despite their size, reaching lengths of up to 40 feet, these gentle giants prefer plankton over other sea creatures. Coming in at 7th place, we have the giraffe, the tallest living terrestrial animal. These elegant creatures can grow up to 19 feet tall. That's a lot of neck. Finally, taking the crown, we have the blue whale, the largest animal to have ever lived. These marine mammals can reach a staggering length of up to 100 feet. Imagine that. And there you have it, the 8 biggest animals in the world. Each of these creatures is a marvel in its own right, a testament to the diversity and grandeur of life on Earth. Have you encountered any of these giants? Share your experiences in the comments below.